Welcome to News by Imad channel. Let's get straight to the explanation.
Welcome to the News by Imad channel. I'm Imad, and today I'll walk you through the process of transferring data from an iPhone to an iPad quickly and easily using the AirDrop feature. First, make sure that AirDrop is enabled on both your iPhone and iPad. And that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And make sure the two devices are close to each other as shown in the video. Once they're near each other, open the photos or files you want to send. Here, I opened this photo. On your iPhone, tap the Share button and select AirDrop from the available options. We will now select AirDrop. We will specifically choose the iPad for this purpose. And now the photo is sent. From iPhone to iPad across your devices. With this method, you can send photos, videos, and files between your devices without any cables or external programs in just a few simple and quick steps. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest. Thank you all.
Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive all the latest updates. Thank you all.